Saturn, the jewel of our solar system. Its stunning rings make it one of the most recognizable and captivating planets. But how did Saturn get its rings? Scientists have been pondering this question for decades, and while there are different theories, they all share one common theme: violence. Without its rings, Saturn looks rather plain, almost unremarkable compared to the vibrant bands of Jupiter or the icy blue of Neptune. It's hard to imagine Saturn without its rings. Scientists are divided into two main camps regarding the age of Saturn's rings. The first group believes that Saturn's rings are primordial, forming alongside the planet over 4 billion years ago. According to this theory, Saturn has always been adorned with its spectacular rings. The second group argues that the rings are much younger, forming only a few hundred million years ago. If this theory is correct, then, for much of Earth's history, Saturn was ringless. Imagine if dinosaurs had telescopes. They would have seen Saturn without its iconic rings. Despite the different timelines, both theories agree on one crucial aspect. The formation of Saturn's rings was a result of a violent event. It is believed that an icy object, such as a comet or a moon, strayed too close to Saturn. The planet's immense gravity tore this object into countless icy fragments. These fragments, ranging from house-sized chunks to tiny ice particles, eventually organized into the ring system we see today, spanning about 170,000 miles across, but only 30 feet thick, primarily composed of bright, pristine water ice. Saturn's rings are divided into different sections, each assigned a letter, in the order of their discovery. The gaps and divisions between the rings are named after astronomers. Moons, known as shepherd moons, like Pan, Atlas, Prometheus, and Pandora, orbit within the rings, and help maintain these divisions. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.